How to draw a pot of gold. To start drawing our pot of gold, we're going to make a small curved line. Then we're going to draw the top sides of the pot. Next, we're going to draw the right handle. Then we're going to draw the left handle. After that, we're going to draw the bottom of the pot. This will be a big round curve going from one handle to the other handle. Then we're going to start drawing the gold pieces. For this part, you can draw circles however you would like on the top part of the pot. This is how to draw a pot of gold. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now come color it in with us.